Alright, Marshall, Budget Guy RC. We're down here a little bit closer to our local lake, as you can see. It's only like a half mile or so from my house. So, we're going to play around with the Torment a little bit more. Just run it around. Don't really matter what we do with it, as long as we run it.
Yeah. You can see the tripod on one of its stems is a little uneven.
There.
Yeah. Woo!
I'm letting off the gas when I get ready to turn.
Yeah, but you're just enjoying that, aren't you? Yeah, but Dad, you're just enjoying that, aren't you?
Don't step in front of the camera. Just run it. Just come by the camera. Just come on. No, this way. Yeah, see, now the camera can see you. All right, turn around. Yeah, there. Camera can see you there. Now it can't see you. You have to turn around and come right back in the frame. There you go, it's got you now. All right, turn around. You can go a little bit faster if you want to. All right, take it up and come back down real quick. So we're gonna get ready to sign off. All right, up and down. Alright, we're going to go ahead and sign off for the day.
Now this time for real.
Alright, this is Budget Guy, Marshall, and this is Christopher over here. We're going to go ahead and call it a day. I didn't put us on video.
Yeah.
We'll get back with you next time. I got to get ready and assess the damage
Of the sandstorm.
Yeah. I don't think it broke the A-arm. I think it broke the
wheels.
I think it broke the hub carrier.
Yeah, one of the front
where it hooks to the back of the wheel and goes over to the A-arm. I think that's what it broke. But I'm going to have to look it up online and see exactly what it broke and see what it's going to cost. So, until the next video, we're going to go ahead and cut this one because this is another 5-minute video.
So the left front wheel is already dangling as it is.
Alright, Marshall here, Budget Guy RC, just a real quick update. As you can see, right there's where it broke. Right there. See? It broke loose from right there. And it actually broke right there. There we go. Right there. It broke right there. So I figured that's what C-hub, steering knuckle assembly. I'm going to have to get all that replaced. In other words, that's what it broke. This section here, down here. The A-arm's good. The screw that goes through the A-arm's still there. As you can see, there's the screw that goes through the A-arm. It's still there. But as you can see, right there, it snapped that plastic off, the circle part that holds it around. Now see, the other piece is still there, the ball end, my little tie rod, you know, whatever, camber links, whatever you want to call them, they're still there. I can't even think straight right now. I don't know exactly what you call some of these parts, but I think it's your camber links or your toe links or something like that. But I know it's part of the suspension, and I know when the truck hits this wide open, it breaks. But if you remember, this was a used buggy. They cost $200 new, shipped to your door. I got it used on eBay for $72. Well, I don't know how long the kid had run it or the man had run it. I don't know what kind of abuse it had, so it could have been already about to break. But when I hit it wide open with the truck, when he come across in front of me and I hit it wide open with the little truck, the Torment just whap, spun it around and then broke the wheel. So now I've got to order this off of eBay or either off of say like Hobbytron, or either go to Hobby People. One of those three should have it. So I don't know whether it's exactly the C-hub, called a C-hub, or whether it's called the steering knuckle. But I'm going to need that whole joint right there, from the wheel over to the A-arm and the H-arm. That part right there. C-hub, steering knuckle, whatever it's called. But I'm going to go ahead and close this out, and we'll have to order this one day. I'm not in a hurry to order it right now because I still got the Torment I can run. So it's not a real hurry, plus being budget guy RC, you know, it ain't a big rush anyway when you ain't got a bunch of money. But I got to see how much it is, and then I'll see about getting one. And then we'll do some videos of it up and running again. We may even do a repair video. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Marshall from Budget Guy RC saying, have fun RCing. Please like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Especially the liking and subscribing part. Thank you. Y'all have a great day.